Meyer lemons are a true winter delight, sweeter and less acidic than regular lemons. Today, we're transforming them into a versatile, vibrant syrup. This simple recipe is perfect for elevating your drinks and desserts. Gather your ingredients: 4 to 5 medium Meyer lemons, 1 cup of granulated sugar, and 1 cup of water. That's it. Just 3 simple items for incredible flavor. First, thoroughly wash your Meyer lemons. Then slice them thinly, about 1/4 inch thick. No need to peel them. The zest adds wonderful aroma and flavor. Combine the sliced lemons, sugar, and water in a medium saucepan. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer over medium heat, stirring occasionally until the sugar dissolves completely. Reduce the heat to low and continue to simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes. The lemons will soften and the syrup will thicken slightly. This slow simmer extracts all that beautiful lemon essence. Once simmered, remove the pan from the heat. Let the mixture cool down for a few minutes. Then, carefully strain the syrup through a fine mesh sieve into a clean jar or bottle. Press down on the solids to extract every last drop of liquid. This golden syrup is incredibly versatile. Mix it with sparkling water for an instant, refreshing lemonade. Drizzle it over pancakes, yogurt, or even ice cream for a zesty kick. You can also use it in cocktails or as a glaze for cakes and pastries. Store your homemade Meyer lemonade syrup in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks. Give this easy recipe a try and brighten up your kitchen. It's a fantastic way to capture the unique flavor of Meyer lemons. Happy cooking!